Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can see all the linked accounts or linked devices on your Telegram account. So it will show you wherever your Telegram account is logged in. So in order to see that on your Apple iPhone, what you have to do first is open the Telegram application. Once you're in the Telegram application, you have to find the option settings. In my case, it's in the bottom right corner. I'll click on it, and now from here I'll scroll down and find the option devices. So right here you can see it's showing me I have like 4 sessions, like desktop, this one and this one, and the device that I'm currently using. So you can see I have already like 4 devices which have my Telegram account logged in. And if you want to remove anything, you can just click on it and remove, or you can just click on terminate all of the sessions. So it will just keep the account logged on your iPhone and remove from the rest. So that's how you can easily see all the devices which have your Telegram account logged in. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.